What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Jonah from Jonah Outdoors, and today I am not outside. It is currently raining, like it has been all day. We have an inch of rain so far, and I can't go outside and do anything, so I'm going to do it inside. I'm going to give you guys a tackle box tour. I use an Ugly Stick bag. It is by, gonna zoom it up here. It's by Realtree Fishing. If you open it up, first thing is my scale. This is the scale I use. To turn it on, you hold this button down. Turns on. Pounds is the first one. Ounces is the second one. Turn it off, hold the button down. Off. Boom. That's first thing. Next thing, we have, boom, my frogs. This one with a white belly, so it moves like this. I got my favorite frog to throw. This black and yellow. And then I got another black and yellow with a little bit of green. Kind of thought it was odd, but you never know. Got brown with a white. Kind of cool. And then I got blue, white, and yellow. And a little bit of black. They say though, any fish with a white, or any frog with a white belly, they're gonna munch, so. I have not got to try my frogs out yet. I just got them. So, I go to my second pouch, or my second compartment here. I get multi-tool here. Folds out the pliers. I can take my hooks out with them. Keep that in here. I got different types of hooks. This is like a normal hook you guys probably see. And then same. This is a little bit bigger. This is smaller one. And then I got crappie for crappie fishing. Some jig heads, weighted jig heads. Trout fishing, bullet weights, same there. These are like huge. I don't use these for any type of bass fishing. These are worm fishing hooks. Worm, same. A little bit of smaller hooks right there, or weights that I use. And then we got not much here. We got bobbers. This guy, black, gray, or silver, sorry. Bobbers. My kind of an odd tackle box. I don't use it a lot. There we go. Bobbers. There we go. Kind of coming on nothing now. Oh. We got this guy here. Green top, sparkly silver. Almost looks like a trout if you have ever seen a trout. Say hello. Yes, I have a cat. Not my cat. And then I got kind of like a crappie-ish section. I don't do a lot of crappie fishing, but this is like my crappie section here. I'll show you some more crappie stuff in a minute. And that one just has loose stuff, so I'm gonna put my stuff back. Put that in there like that. I have a lot of couple things messy, but I don't mess around with my tackle box. So I got my first pouch over front here. I do have crappie stuff. That for Christmas or my birthday, one of two, and then I can't go anywhere without it, unfortunately. Here we go, I got my Gary Yamamoto. They are the 5-inch watermelon green. Yep, watermelon, green and red. And then you guys already saw it. Yep, I got Guggen Baits. Got the Lunker Logs. Those are watermelon red flake. I got Rattling Neds. They're the mud minnow. I got Bandito Bugs. They are the same. They're watermelon red flake. Rattling Neds, mooncake. And then Bandito Bugs, again, green pumpkin. So that's kind of my go-to, in a way, pouch. And then if I go over here, I don't know what side this is. Alright, this is my good side. Alright, I got my Yum crawdads. Those are good. And then I got my June bugs. Those are alright too. And I got more Zooms. These are the swim bait, the flukes. Those would go there. Zoom. And then more Yum. These are the Senkos. We got the black or green top, white body, and then I don't know if I have anything up here. No, these are just some crappie. I feel like I have something up here. Got a swim bait. And that is all I have. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, please. Doesn't cost anything. You can always unsubscribe if you don't want to later. But it helps me out. And yeah, that's my tackle box tour. I got most of this stuff, most of this at Bass Pro in Walmart. So, if you guys want to know what's, where I get it, that's where. Or if you guys want to see another video of what, like, rods I use, or rods and reels, leave that as a suggestion, maybe next video. So, I'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed.